Hey guys, took this F8. Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. I got this F8 up north going for a rip and took it for a spin, and rattling noises coming from the crank, from the bottom end kind of thing. Didn't sound good at first. I was kind of concerned a little bit for a couple minutes, and then shoot, I had somebody just text me, so now I'm got sidetracked. So long story short, it wasn't a big deal. It took about a whole couple minutes to figure out what was going on, but what had happened is this thing has electric start, and this is basically where the rattling was coming from. If you look at the back of the clutch, I should do a video on how to pop a clutch off properly. Maybe I'll do a mock-up of that too, just for you guys to see. And so what had happened was basically this baby was jiggling. There you go. And if you look, well, I took the screws out already, so I got one screw here. Gotta make this video at least seem somewhat presentable. One screw. And I mean, normally you have 2, 4, 6 screws in this thing. As you can see, it sheared off not 1, but 2, 3, and 4. And I should have known, because I found one of the heads in the bottom of the belly pan there, where the clutches lie. And I kind of was trying to figure out where the heck, you know, where did that come from? But it just didn't dawn on me until all of a sudden. I mean, when your clutch is flying at 100 miles an hour and you're hearing this kind of noise, it's not good, right? So basically these screws had loosened off, and that's where the noise was coming from. So something to keep an eye on. If you start getting some noise from the bottom, sounds like it's coming from the engine, and you have electric start, you might have to pull your clutch off and check this guy and see if it's loose. For a quick check, I mean, you can get at this with your hand. Obviously turn the machine off, make sure you don't stick your hand back there. Turn the machine off, and then put your hand back there and just shake it and see if it feels loose. If it feels loose, well, there's your noise right there. So anyways, hopefully this has helped somebody out. It's going to be an AutoCAD video, rattling crank noise, weird, just a weird noise. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. My next video, I think I will do a clutch pull video, just as a refresher for everybody. And other than that, this is just all for fun. Just to show you, I did have a chance to try out a skidoo. See that skidoo back there? That thing is a rocket. I'm not a fan of skidoo, but I will say that thing does go pretty good for an 800. Really boogies, but nice machine. I think if I ever were to go to a new machine, skidoo would be probably close to the top of my list. So reliability is my big concern with skidoos. So, but anyways, that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching, guys. Cheers till next time.